Hello everyone. Today we are going to deal with the topic scope of geography. First we have to understand what is geography. Geography is made up of two words, geo meaning earth and graphy means a descriptive science. Thus in simple words it means science of the earth. Cambridge Dictionary defines geography as the study of the systems and processes involved in the world's weather, mountains, seas, lakes, etc., and of the ways in which countries and people organize life within an area. So, again a basic question comes, why should we study geography? First, to know about our surroundings. Second, we can learn new facts and developments regarding Earth and related aspects. Next, to know about our environment and climate changes, like we keep ourselves updated with the changes in the climate that is happening. To understand the relationship between physical changes and human activity. Next, to learn the location of places and the physical and cultural characteristics of those places in order to function more effectively. But as a student, you may have a question, why should we opt geography as an optional subject? So the most convincing points are like it's an important in terms of competitive exams. Many different types of competitive exams have 4 to 5 questions related to geography. So if you opt geography as an optional subject, you will be definitely gaining in competitive exams. Next, geography is a practical subject and no doubt it helps you to score well. Next, we have lots of concepts which are related to geography, and we have nowadays internet facilities where we can have lots of videos to understand the concepts related to geography. We have different exposures, practical fields exposure in terms of surveys, in terms of field trips, that adds to our knowledge, a real life knowledge. When we work as a practical student, we have well equipped labs and it creates interest as the labs have lots of instruments which we have not explored yet. Now, once we have opted for geography, we should also know that in future what are the career options available with geography as a subject. A student can go for a higher studies in remote sensing. He can further take up courses and become a GIS specialist or a location analyst, soil conservationist. He or she may be hydrologist. He or she may move on for the environmental consultant. He can be a cartographer. She can be a market researcher. A town planner is in trend. And no doubt they can go for in a teaching sector with an assistant professor or teachers. They can go for to take up courses in aerial photography also. And there are many other jobs which are related to geography as a specialization. That's all for the scope of geography. Thank you.